Michael from Brazil.
I live in Rio de Janeiro.
I get up at 6 a.m. and catch a bus to college at 6:30 a.m. Lessons start at 7:30 a.m. We have a break at 9:30 a.m. and then study until 12 p.m. I get home at about 1:40 p.m. After that, I often go to the beach with my friends to swim in the ocean or play beach volleyball. But I also sometimes just stay at home to sleep or study. In the evenings, I cook dinner for my family. Then we watch TV or listen to the radio before bed. I switch off my light at about 10 p.m.